It was really horrible.
By the time Pete got to the bottom, Tower 2 had already collapsed. As he looked at where he just escaped from,
You heard that crackling sound where I would never forget. You know, the building started to explode. And I knew at this point I had to run for my life, you know. And I started to run. I wasn't going to outrun it because it was coming on so fast, so I dove behind a police car.
thought his wife and 2 kids would never see him again, but he managed to escape without any real injuries. Today he shows off his visitor's pass that proves that he's a survivor, one of the lucky ones.